students. Yes, we were doing definite integrals. Extra questions कर रहे थे हम. मिक्स टाइप कर रहे थे. सभी टाइप्स जो हमने इंटीग्रेशन में सॉल्व करी हैं उनके क्वेश्चंस. Let's start today with question number 41. Integral of square root of x into 1 minus x dx and limit goes to 0 to 1. सबसे पहले प्रोडक्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. इंटेग्रल x minus x square square root dx. We can write it as, by taking negative sign common, minus x square minus x. Now add and subtract half coefficient of x square, that is 1 by 4. Integral 0 to 1 square root of 1 by 2 square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Integral of square root of a square minus x square is equals to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. X by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. Apply this formula here. X by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. And the limit is 0 to 1. 2x minus 1 by 4 x minus x square plus 1 by 8 sin inverse 2x minus 1. Now put the limits. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 by 4 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 8 sin inverse 2 into 1 2 minus 1 minus lower limit 0 2 into 0 0 sorry 0 minus 1 0 minus 0 plus 1 by 8 sin inverse 2 into 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 1 by 8 sin inverse 1. Sin 90 is 1. This term is also 0 minus 1 by 8 sin inverse minus 1. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So instead of minus sin pi by 2, we can write sin of minus pi by 2. So 1 by 8 into pi by 2 minus 1 by 8 into minus pi by 2. Pi by 16 plus pi by 16, 2 pi by 16, that is pi by 8. Pi by 8. Square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square, limit goes to 0 to 2. question, in the denominator, coefficient of x square is unity. First take the negative sign common. Dx upon square root of x square minus 2x. Add and subtract half coefficient of x square to complete the square. 2 by 2, that is 1. Limit goes to 0 to 2. Integral of dx upon 3 plus 1, 4 minus x minus 1 whole square. We can write it as dx upon square root of 2 square minus x minus 1 square. Now integral of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square, that is equals to sine inverse x upon a. 1 upon a square minus x square is equals to sine inverse x upon a. X here is x minus 1 and a is 2. Sine inverse x upon a. Put the limits now. Sine inverse 2 minus 1 by 2 minus sine inverse 0 minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of sine pi by 6. Sine 30 degree. Sine pi by 6 minus sine inverse minus sine pi by 6. Again, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So we can write as minus sine pi by 6 as sine of minus pi by 6. So pi by 6 minus minus pi by 6. Sine inverse sine pi by 6 minus sine inverse sine of minus pi by 6. Sine inverse and sine will cancel. Pi by 6 plus pi by 6. 2 pi by 6, that is pi by 3. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? In the denominator, we complete the whole square by adding and subtracting half coefficient of x whole square, that is 1. It is of form integral of 1 upon a square minus x square, that is equals to sine inverse x upon a. Apply the formula and put the upper limit and the lower limit values. Now the next one is integral of dx upon square root of 4x minus x square, and the limit is 0 to 4. First take the negative sign common from the denominator. Minus x square minus 4x. Now add and subtract half coefficient of x whole square. Half into 4. 2 square, that is 4. Add and subtract 4. It becomes dx upon square root of 2 square minus x minus 2 square. It is again of the form integral of 1 upon a square minus x square is equals to sine inverse x upon a. Put the limits. 4 minus 2 minus sine inverse 0 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2 upon 2, that is 1. Sine inverse 2 upon 2 minus sine inverse minus 2 upon 2. Sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse minus 1. 1 is the value of sine 90 90 degree. So sine inverse sine pi by 2 minus sine inverse minus sine pi by 2. Again apply the same formula. Sine of minus theta is sine theta. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse sine of minus pi by 2. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Sine inverse and sine will cancel. Pi by 2 minus minus plus. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2. That is pi. Next one is integral of dx upon x square plus 2x plus 5 and the limit goes to -1 to 1. Now in the denominator we have quadratic. Complete the square by adding and subtracting half coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2. 1 by 2 of 2 is 1. Add and subtract 1. Dx upon x plus 1 whole square. 5 minus 1 is 4. We can write 4 as 2 square. Now integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Apply this formula. 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Put the limits now. Tan inverse 1 plus 1 2 minus tan inverse minus 1 plus 1 is 0 and 0 upon something 0. Half tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So instead of 1 we write tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse tan 0 is 0. 1 by 2 pi by 4 minus 0 pi by 8. Next question is, try it by yourself. X square plus x upon square root of 2x plus 1 and the limit goes to 1 to 4. Now the next one is integral of x into 1 minus x power 5 dx and the limit is 0 to 1. 1 minus x has power 5. So we can't multiply this factor by this term. So first multiply and divide by -1. After that add and subtract 1. Take 1 minus x as one term and multiply this into this minus this into this factor. 1 minus x into 1 minus x power 5 minus 1 minus x power 5. Base are same, so powers will add. 1 minus x power 6 minus 1 minus x power 5. Now integral of x power n, apply power rule, x power n plus 1. Since we have minus x here, so minus 1 in the denominator, minus 1 minus x power 6 minus 6, and the limit is 0 to 1. 1 minus x power 6 upon 6 minus 1 minus x power 7 upon 7. Put the limits now. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, upper limit minus lower limit. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 7. 1 by 7 minus 1 by 6. 1 by 42. Next is integral of x minus 1 upon x square into ex, and the limit goes to 1 to 2. First separate these terms. X upon x square minus 1 upon x square ex, limit is 1 to 2. X upon x square, 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Minus 1 upon x square is the derivative of this function. 1 upon x ex dx minus 1 upon x square ex dx. We can apply product rule here, integration by parts, or directly apply the formula of ex f of x plus f dash x, that is equals to ex f of x. First, integral of second minus integral of derivative of first, integral of second. One by x cx, derivative of x power minus 1 and xn minus 1. Minus minus plus. Put the limits now. Ex upon x, e square upon 2 minus e upon 1. e square upon 2 minus e. Now the next one is integral of x into e to x plus sine pi x by 2, and the limit goes to 0 to 1. First separate the terms. Integral of x into e to x dx plus integral of sine pi x by 2. In this integral, we solve it by parts by taking algebraic as first function and exponential as second. Apply the formula. First function as it is, integral of second minus integral of derivative of first, integral of second. Now integral of